But Majran can say, hey, his birthday pictures is gonna come out. His birthday picture is gonna come. Umutumi ba kokora. Now, Ohini David Yabeda. Hey, today 7 p.m. sharp. Akufo Addo video is coming on. Na Ghana for Gyimfuo to bandre de train. So, Mama, Kevin Taylor, the Agini views. Me begina haka chire said there is no truth in it because girl no free Ghana buy, you know, odi nkomo ma yehu dia waye ne bone. Dia oye ne bone no, odi diga, odi nkra okaye. Now let me tell you this, mo ameka na munjindi no, it took her 4 years to plan this. First 2 years was for Hopes and Addo. When that didn't fall through, a bra honorable candidate Japan can say, listen, this girl doesn't have anything on the president, so forget him. If free neko, mu bian fanoko, ubian blockeno, and almost started say, come where then and about more. Into honorable Ken, baby, I will be a chow. Then what time honorable Ken came to wish you ask for honorable Ken came to meet you because your shallow mind didn't know that the so-called Akufo Addo you were not chatting was not Akufo Addo. But we Gyimiefuo and sending with him, and then me met to me across BA Facebook account. And my friend, honorable Ayoko Chwebu, honorable Chairman Sabunsu. Otie buruchiri. When I see him technology, now when him say why Jimmy. And then be social media about be to me for be a profile. Chat Akufo Addo social media or about 3-4 I feel crowd yes no yes iMessage. I feel the Akufo Addo use iPhone. Akufo Addo use iPhone. Na Ghana ni. Oh my God. My God. She didn't sleep in no room with Sewa Bruni. Whatever you heard is a lie. The video is there. Or see or no. She never even had 1 minute. She confessed to her own mother, say, when you 1 minute to crack close to the president. And you mean, so bring it out. I told you, say Uba na Uba attacking honorable Hopes and Addo now. And Kayeni would have joined on your train. But Uba no, what they be for a papa penny within the baby. When you know damn well the man sacked you when you went into the hotel that day and the bodyguards didn't let you go in. And then you are better now saying, who be play victim's card. Now, let me give you the genesis. Shout out to Obetua Vim Power House, right? Yeah, I think I believe you did an awesome job yesterday, and you need to be commended for that. Everybody that is doing an awesome job, we thank you for that. Bloggers say Gyimiefuo no so no ready now after Niama you debate to screen we so who be no. Number we say why you truffle blackmailer. Ne duma odi ano no. Na wo me ba first na me be ka kire wo say wa ye ni na ye ni me ye ho. Dia wo ye no enye wo namfofo say wa frɛ me ka kire me say kwasi ye kura no dia ya damfo no ye no eye ye ho maba ye pa kyɛw. Ade we die me nkonkobo so ba ne nkoye bibia na me ye sanka me twa so. Now we go page in this one. Send me foolish face like my foolish then extended it to my kids. Then you, after issuing all these things against my kids, ran rather to the police to say, I have threatened you on my page, so people should come in and rape you. When everybody and the tape is there to prove. Toronto police, if you are here, go on my page and read it. Go and listen to my tape. If anything said that. This shows how desperate this girl is willing to lie to put innocent people into problem just to prove a case. Obejina ka say make we see apia me be video no me ka say na organizing conform o me rape no me send no conform o me be ku no me ken ono na nam ho enema threats to people say ono ka tre na ojina me page so a okasa no onche no ye has she heard the sound of a gun before I feel they say why we a gangster. But to them, say you can do anything. After and that revelation, I know, say, why you are Jezebel, you can do anything. You can do anything. You are a real demon. You are a real demon. And it's only fools and the best to solve. You blackmail your own friends who said that setting them up to get them in a compromising position, then you use it against them. Into the Obekebiano and so and yes, who be disgrace you. And one more fair in it. Oh, yeah, I know we do it. And because someone person will do your mass and babble thing. Sewa will be arrested. Or call Ghana na yachi no kromo aso we complain that especially with this extortion. And the anime trying to say, Minya sa power of attorney say, I can represent Flagstaff House and I say me to many embassy and I say consulate to represent so that she comes to court and answer and bring amounts to blackmailing and extortion. So if she has big appetite for money, say, well, get ready. You were the first person that ran to the police as if I had threatened you. And they came, me, God being so good, I told everybody on my page, say, do not threaten that girl. Mo bianca threat word bianca or no anka saniniama or yano na catch up with her. I'm telling you, say one PTS one ya walking in nano, and you're no one come and I catch you up to her. And today I will show you guys. Share the page for the page to go. Let's say one know, say, dear or person, and now their wedding kind of a year MPP penny pie be. Eh? I know the Yayan Hasha Shaman is scared, you know. There is evidence to it, said that is extortion. Eh? Dear or person or the hopes in no a year big time blackmailing and extortion. Thirdly, the fact is that one lie on a certain president with a criminal accept president person okuno and no qua alone is a criminal intent. You are lying, you are liable for something like that. Falsifying false that can jeopardize the livelihood of somebody. So the laws take it serious. So to allege, say, and now to go on all out as if you have more information, say, a certain president is trying to kill you because according to what you know, you have a picture that if they don't give you 1 million, you are going to expose. Sewa, the news from the Flagstaff House to you today is do your worst. Fasau loot pictures, nebra. The old man is tired. Bring it out and let's see. You claim you have it, so bring it out. I told you, say what by you now attacking honorable hopes now. And now would have joined on your train. But Obaya no, what they be for a papa penny within the baby. When you know damn well the man sacked you when you went into the hotel that day and the bodyguards didn't let you go in. And then you are better now saying who be play victim's card. Now, let me give you the genesis. Shout out to Obetua Vim Power House.